Alright, so if you're looking to get thousands of leads every single day from Google Maps or from any maps of your choice, this video is where I'm going to be exposing you to one super tool that can help you extract leads directly from Google Maps, can also help you extract leads from Bing Maps, can also help you extract leads from Apple Maps and also from Yandex Maps. So today's video, watch to the very end and see how you can get access to this tool and how you can use it in extracting leads, thousands of leads, just like what you can see on my screen here. So easy to do with no complicated setup. Now let's jump into it. Alright guys, so first things first, I'm going to be leaving the link down below to get access to Data Sniper. So once you click on the link, it's going to bring you right to this page. Now once you are right here, you need to just go ahead in creating a new account for yourself. So for me, I already have my account created. I'm just going to log in very quick, and right here you can see this is what my dashboard looks like. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to be making use of the Map Scraper Pro. This is the extension tool that's going to be helping us extract leads directly from any maps of our choice. So you need to go ahead and clicking on download. So right now, once you have it already downloaded, it's going to work as an extension on your computer. So if you're making use of the Google Chrome or you're making use of Microsoft Edge, this will definitely work for you. Now right here you can see after opening up the tool, this is what it looks like. So now we have Google Maps Scraper, we also have for Bing Maps, we also have for Apple Maps, and we also have for Yandex. We are going to be testing Data Sniper tool on every of these maps. You're going to see how fast it is, and you're going to be seeing how amazing this tool can help you in extracting hundreds and thousands of leads in a very short period of time. So quickly, I'm going to open that of Google Maps. So right here you can see we have that of Google Maps already open. And right here you can see that we have the Data Sniper tool also opened up automatically. So we're going to be using this on Google Maps first and foremost, then we go over to the other maps so you get to see works on different maps. So quickly, I'm just going to come right here and I'm going to click on this play button. Now if you click on the play button, this is where you're trying to tell the tool to get ready to work. Okay, the first thing you have to do right now is to go ahead and input in the particular niche you're trying to extract leads from. So let's say you're talking about plumbers, you're talking about doctors, hotels, restaurants. You just need to go ahead and input in that target query right here. And with also with the Map Scraper Pro, I think I like this so much because you can also extract your leads by keywords. So let's say you have a bulk of keywords, you have them arranged already: plumbers in Texas, restaurants in Magudu, hotels in California. You have them already in the list. You can do well to importing that right in here. But for me, I just want to go with place because I can get much more result using this feature as well. So what you need to do is to go ahead and input in the niche you try to target and also the target location. So if it's a particular place you're trying to get your leads from, you can do that by selecting some of the available ones here, or you can also go ahead and searching. So let's say we search for something like Canada. Let's say Canada. You can be much more precise in also choosing a particular state, a particular city in Canada. So for me, I'm going to work with Canada, right? So you can see we have Canada map displayed right in here. Now guys, the next thing you have to do is you need to come over to the intensity tab, and right here you're going to be finding that Map Scraper Pro actually has three, which is the quick, the deep, and the forensic. Now each and every of this intensity level means a lot when trying to extract leads from any maps of your choice. Now with the quick, it's actually going to just go around the surface level, trying to help you extract leads very quick. Now when you try to go with the deep, it actually gets much more intense from here, where it actually helps you make sure that you are getting quite a number of leads. If you decide to just go with the forensic type, this is where it gets much more interesting, because with Google you are restricted to over 200 searches, right? So choosing to go with the forensic scanner on Data Sniper, alright, helps you zoom in street by street just to help you uncover hidden leads. Now many other Google Maps Scraper don't have this attribute, they don't have this feature enabled in them, but with the Data Sniper Google Maps Scraper Pro, it's easy for you to launch the forensic scanner and it helps you zoom in street after street, helping you find leads for your business. I would definitely want to go with the forensic type right here, and once I'm done, I can just go ahead in maybe giving this a name. I can just call this my Google leads. Okay, I can just name this as Google Very good. I'm going to click on enter and I'm going to click on start. So once I do click on start right now, you can see that this is already helping me extract leads. And so you can see at this rate, guys, we are going to be having quite a number of leads in a very short period of time. Now let's go over to Bing Maps. So right here on Bing Maps, all we need to do first and foremost is to go ahead in creating a file for the leads we are going to be getting from Bing Maps. So I'm going to rename this to be leads from Bing Maps. Okay, you can go ahead and name this whatever you want to. So I have this already renamed. Then I'm just going to go ahead and clicking on the play button right here. So once I do click on the play button right here, you can see it opens up the tool. And you also remember how we did it for Google Maps. You just want to go ahead in choosing the particular target query, the particular niche you're trying to target, right? And you can go ahead and actually selecting the exact location you want to get that from. So I'm just going to use London for this, right? And right here, I'm still going to be allowing this work on the forensic scanner, okay? Then I'm just going to click on start scan. All right, and now guys, you can see what happens, and you can see we have our lead already been extracted for us. So if you allow this run for a while, you're going to be having hundreds and even thousands depending on how long you allow this work. All right, now let's go over to Apple Maps and also let's repeat the same thing. So right here, guys, you can see we are on Apple Maps, so we want to repeat the same thing. Okay, now I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to click on the plus button right here, and I'm just going to give this a name. So leads as usual from Apple Maps. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to come here and I'm going to click on the play button. Okay, so once I do click on the play button, I'm just going to repeat the same thing over again. I'm going to change this to auto repair shops. Okay, you can see we have that right in here. And once I'm done with that, I'm just going to quickly change my location to Paris, France. Let's work with that one for this exact maps. And I'm also going to be leaving that on forensic because I think forensic is giving me quite a number of leads. Okay, and I'm going to click on start scan. It's easy for you to make use of the Data Sniper Google Maps Scraper Pro in generating thousands of leads effortlessly. You can see all we need to do is just give it the exact things we need and it begins to pour out all the leads it can find for us. That's an amazing one. So you can see, guys, the Google Maps Scraper Pro is already scraping our leads effortlessly on Apple Maps. So you can let this run for a while and you're so sure to be getting thousands of leads. Now I'm also going to stop this now and I'm going to be going over to the last map we have for today's video, which is the Yandex Maps. So right here for the Yandex map, you remember how we do it. You need to go ahead in creating a new folder for those leads. So I'm just going to say leads from Yandex. Okay, we have that here. Then I'm just going to click on the play button as usual. Then I'm just going to change the business niche to iClinics. Then I'm just going to change the location. Let's work with Switzerland. Okay, that's fine to work with. All right, so I'm also going to be making use of the forensic scanner. All right, then I'm just going to be clicking on start scan. But right before you click on start scan, check the advanced setup. Right here, you're going to be finding some advanced settings that you can work with. I intentionally left this feature to the ending of this video because I want you guys to watch through and still find out some amazing things about the Google Maps Scraper Pro from Data Sniper. Okay, you can see the first thing I want to show you guys is the smart skip. Let's say there's a particular place or there's a particular region you're trying to avoid your leads coming from. Maybe it's a water area, a forest, mountainside. You want to avoid those locations. You can do well in selecting and choosing those exact places right in here. And you can see the scroll speed. You can actually increase this or you can leave all of this on default. So I would definitely want to leave this on default unless if I have many or special reasons why I need to alter the settings. So I'm going to leave that. I'm going to close this one right here. Then I'm just going to go ahead and clicking on start scan. And once I do click on start scan, you can see that the Yandex app opens up and you can see all of the leads that we are extracting using the Data Sniper Google Maps Scraper Pro. So let me know what you think about this exact tool that can help you extract leads from various maps. So if you want to extract or you want to export your lead, rather you want to export the leads you got from the maps. Now, how do you do it? It's simple. You can see right here, you have quite a number of options you can use in downloading your leads. You have the Excel file, you have CSV, and you also have the JSON. So for me, I definitely want to go with CXV. Okay, if I do click on CXV, you can see I have it already downloaded, and much more to you having this, it's already downloaded. If you click on view data, you are going to be having a display of your leads. You can see everything being displayed right in here. So kudos to the Data Sniper Google Maps Scraper Pro that's helped us in generating thousands of leads in a very short period of time from 4 different maps. So if you want to get access to this tool, you can check the link down below. It's going to bring you over to the official website where you can create an account, download this tool, and start using it in extracting thousands of leads every single day for whatever reasons you need leads for. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to always ask me your question in the comment section below and let me know which of these maps you're going to be making use of when it comes to the Google Maps Scraper Pro. Thank you. Bye.